so nervous today, and I think you'll understand why in half a second. Hello! I don't know, hello? Today we're gonna be making this. So let's open it. Here you go. This is what it looks like inside. Eh? Where do I open this? Should I just do it wherever? Okay, let's just do it wherever. Nice gloves, thank you. Do you like them? Do you like them? Can you open? I think I can. Like, they're not too thick gloves, so I can kind of like... They're a bit big though. They're a bit thick, but they're not like too thick. So I think I might be able to like work with them. Okay, so we have spaghetti candy powder. That doesn't sound right to me. Can you do a Korean heart sign? Oh, I've never done that before. How do you do it? I don't think it's like this, but... Wait, how do you do it? Also, huh? This is like a normal heart, right? How do you do the Korean one? Oh, is it like, what? I know. Wait. Wait. Is it like this? That's how you do it, right? Like that? I just like to do the normal, like, heart, you know? こんな感じが好きです。Let me do my famous Rosemi peace sign. This is famous around these parts of town. The famous Rosemi peace sign. Peace! Rosemi peace sign. Peace! Can we bid on the gloves? Yeah, you can. The bid is starting at $5,000. More! Ah, cute! So do I put the water in? Okay, here we go! Whoa, it's turning green! Can you see this? Can you see it? Get in there. Bakame. Get in there. So now we're putting this in. What's happening? No, you don't mix it. Oh, you do mix it! Oh my god, wait! I'm sorry. Oh, no. So my broccoli truly is really gross. Do you want to eat this? How does it smell? Wait, it smells like grape or something. What does it say on the box? Yeah, it is supposed to smell like grape. I'm in. Feed me, please. Okay, here you go. Here's your... Here you go. This is for you. I made this specifically for you. What's with the hat? It's Christmas. Duh. Hello? Have you been keeping up? Have you looked at the calendar lately? Wait, did I say Christmas? I said Halloween, right? I did! No! Okay, let's go. Okay. Gross. What do? Do I just like try and put it together? Do I squish it? Ah, there you go. Let me just pack it up on top. Does this look good to you guys? Let's make the panda. So I need to make the small little like panda ears, you know? So I'm kind of like rolling them. Here we go. Ah! No, it's not over. It's not over yet. Okay, you get in there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, perfect. This is my masterpiece. Go on, get in there. Yeah, just like that. Okay. What does it look like? Yeah, you know, it's fine. I ain't coping. I've attained enlightenment, you know? I have attained enlightenment. Namaste? Is that how you... No, Namaste? Now we make the nuggies. Finally. They might not be dino shaped, but we make the nuggies. I think it's actually looking like fried chicken right now. Okay, what's next? Let's make the spaghetti. So we'll just put it in here. Put the mixture into the squeezing bag. And then cut it. Okay, I see what's going on. So here's what it looks like for now. I'm just gonna like rip this, you know? I'm just gonna like put a hole through it. That'll work, right? God! It's like I'm fighting with this. Okay, there we go. This is what... This is what ended up happening. But don't worry about it. Here we go. Oh no, that's not gonna work! It's not gonna work because it's gonna come out as a big paste! It has to come out as like a tiny little spaghetti string! Oh my god, no. Make ravioli? Macaroni? Nochi? Is it nochi? lasagna! Yeah, this is the great Rosemi's lasagna, yo. It's udon, god. This is udon. Okay, you know what? You guys don't need to worry about that. So we have onigiri. This is Sasaki senpai. You need to eat your greens, guys. This is the tamagoyaki. It's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. You guys are thinking too much about it. So let me put it right here, actually. But here's actually the best part of the entire meal. There you go. Here's your meal. What do you think about it? Tamagoyaki. Useyo! Okay, I'm gonna eat it. Okay, guys. It's slimy. Here I go. Yeah, it is really moist. Am I gonna die? It doesn't taste bad, it just tastes really moist. I'm gonna die? Keep eating? Okay, here I go. I know moist is not a taste, but that's what it tastes like, guys. Okay. Should I try this? Ooh, it looks kind of gross. I think there's like some rice at the bottom. Okay, here I go! Okay, it was somehow less gross than the, like, octopus, you know? It wasn't as moist. It was a bit drier, which is, like, made it better somehow. Does it taste like chicken? Yeah, it tastes like orangey chicken. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my bento for you. I'll pack the rest for you guys. You know, I'll leave it for your lunch tomorrow. Arigato ne. Thank you so much. Arigato. Arigato minasan. Moe moe. Cute. I was so nervous to do this, so I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. I really got my inspiration and well, I've been wanting to do something like this for a while, but you know, I got my courage from Millie, so you should thank Millie. And a Merry Christmas to all of you! Ho 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 ho! Ho 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 ho! Hey yo, the name's Rosemi, and they always call me Kawaii!